F&A, the weekly open. A clear look at the forces shaping the week ahead.
FX market, the first heartbeat, the dollar is holding firm. USD, JPY is trading at 160.32, near its highs for the week. The yen is weak because Japanese investors are rotating into safe haven assets, US Treasuries, gold, rather than the yen itself. The euro is softer at 1.1563, as European energy prices remain elevated from the Iran conflict. The Australian dollar is under pressure at 0.6878, as commodity prices weaken and geopolitical risk persists. The offshore yuan is softer at 7.2450, as China's economy shows signs of stress. Weekend drivers, Trump's 10-day pause expires April 6. No major central bank comments, oil prices holding above $109. The Strait of Hormuz remains contested. FX tone, cautious, dollar bid, risk-off positioning. Futures market. The first look at Monday U.S. index futures are down modestly as Sunday evening trading begins. The S&P 500 futures are at 6,320, down 0.5% from Friday's close. The Nasdaq futures are at 21,100, also down 0.5%. The Dow futures are at 44,950, down 0.4%. All three indexes are in correction territory. The 10-year Treasury is at 112.30, up 15 basis points, as investors rotate into safe haven bonds. The tone is cautious. The market is digesting a week where the S&P 500 fell 3.8%. The Dow and Nasdaq entered correction territory, and oil oscillated between $98 and $110. Traders are waiting to see if Monday brings any new developments on the Iran ceasefire talks, or if the market continues to reprice lower. Futures tone, cautious, defensive positioning, safe haven bid. Over to you to wrap up with the Asia markets and global outlook.
Asia markets, the first equity reaction. As of 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday, March 29, 2026. Nikkei 225, 53,373, minus 0.43%, yen weakness, Wall Street losses, ASX 200, 8,433, minus 0.98%, commodity weakness, energy concerns, Hang Seng 24,952, plus 0.38%, tech bounce, China support, Shanghai Composite 4,189, plus 0.16%, government support, stimulus hopes. Asia opens the week with mixed signals. Japan's Nikkei 225 is down 0.43% at 53,373, tracking Wall Street losses but supported by yen weakness, which is positive for Japanese exporters. Australia's ASX 200 is down 0.98% at 8,433 as commodity prices weaken and energy concerns persist. Hong Kong's Hang Seng is up 0.38% at 24,952, benefiting from a modest tech bounce and Chinese government support. Shanghai is up 0.16% at 4,189 as investors price in potential stimulus measures. Local catalysts, Japan's Nikkei is supported by a weaker yen, good for exporters. Australia is pressured by lower commodity prices, oil, iron ore. China is supported by government stimulus expectations. Hong Kong is caught between US tech weakness and Chinese support. Asia tone, mixed, cautious, waiting for clarity on Iran ceasefire. And now to tie it all together in a global outlook, but before I do, please don't forget. For deeper context, clean visuals, and full market breakdowns, visit zinch.com. It's updated every Monday through Friday morning and Sunday evening to match the tone and tempo of the week ahead. Global synthesis. The world opens the week in a holding pattern. The dollar is bid on safe haven flows. Equities are down modestly as investors digest a brutal week. Bonds are rallying as the 10-year Treasury climbs. Oil is holding above $109 as geopolitical risk persists. Asia is mixed. Japan is weak on Wall Street losses, Australia is weak on commodity weakness, China is supported by government expectations, and Hong Kong is caught in between. The tone is cautious but not panicked. Traders are waiting for the April 6 deadline when Trump's pause on Iranian energy strikes expires. If negotiations progress, expect a relief rally. If the war escalates, expect more selling. Until then, the market is in a defensive posture, dollar bid, bonds rallying, equities under pressure, safe haven assets, gold, yen, treasuries, attracting capital. The world is pricing in a scenario where the war continues, oil stays elevated, the Fed stays on hold, and equities stay under pressure. Monday will tell us if that narrative holds or if new developments shift the tone. Global summary: cautious, defensive, waiting for April 6 clarity.